Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm Nekeesha. Thank you to all the new subscribers and thank you to all the comments that were placed on my last video. Now today I'll be sharing with you how I make saltfish fritters. Now this is very easy, very simple to prepare. We in Jamaica here we would normally have fritters for breakfast, but you can have it any time of day. So please stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how to make saltfish fritters. So for the first ingredient that I'll be using, I have some all-purpose flour. So guys, I'm not going to be measuring, but I'm just going to use the amount that I think will be needed for the recipe here. So this is about a cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to be adding that to my bowl. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is some saltfish or codfish. So now that my saltfish has already cooked, I have gone ahead now and I'm breaking up the saltfish into smaller pieces so that it can be combined into the batter properly. Alright, so look at it guys, I've broken up the saltfish into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add this now to the flour. And guys, I'm not using a lot because I'm not cooking for a lot of persons. It's just me and my son, so I'm not going to be doing a lot. So based on your family size, you can double the ingredients. The next ingredients that I will be using, I'll be using some onions, some scallion, and hot pepper. Guys, I'm not going to be using a lot of hot pepper because my son is going to have some of this and I don't want it to be too spicy for him. You can also add sweet pepper. You can also add tomatoes to your fritter. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add this to the saltfish and the flour. So I'm just going to be adding the water a little at a time. Guys, I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper. And I'm just going to also add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Not too much, just a little bit. Just for extra flavoring. And I'm going to stir everything in. Now I have some oil that is being heated on the stove. As you can see, my oil is ready and the flame is on medium. So I'm just going to go ahead now and I'm going to be placing the fritter one by one. Alright guys, so you don't want it to be too hot, right? But just at the right temperature. So medium heat would be best. And then I will place them in one at a time. So there it is guys. So I don't like my fritters to be too thin. So I'm just gonna just place them one by one, and I'm not gonna spread the mixture. So I'm gonna allow these to fry until golden brown, and then I'll be turning it onto the other side. So now I'm checking to see that it's golden brown. I'm gonna turn them on the other side. Nice color, right? So guys, now that my fritters are ready, right, look at it, looking nice and golden brown, and I'm gonna take them out, and I will be frying the second batch. Now I will be adding in my second batch. If this amount of fritter is not enough for your family, you can go ahead and you can double up the ingredients that I will put in the description below. Remember, as I said before, I was using about 1 to 1.5 cup of flour because I'm only cooking for 2 persons. So you just go ahead and use more ingredients depending on your family size. So this is my second batch of fritters frying. There it is. You don't want to keep them in the pot too long, guys. You don't want to overcook them and get them too dried out. So you don't want to keep them in the pot for too long, just until golden brown, and you keep it on medium heat so that the fritters will be soaked and they will not be burned. So guys, there you have it, saltfish fritters. Look at it, guys. It looks very delicious, very scrumptious. The only thing that I'm gonna have now with this, guys, is some hot chocolate and maybe some slices of avocado. What could be more delicious than this? So I'm just gonna ask my son to just do a little taste test for me. Raniel, come here. How is that?
It's very good.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I taste the fish.
You taste the fish in it?
Yes.
Okay, well that's good. All right, so we're gonna have our breakfast now, guys. Wow, just perfect. Very delicious, very quick and easy to prepare. Saltfish fritters. So I'm having some avocado on the side and my cup of hot chocolate. Please remember to comment down below and tell me what you think. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.